We're now going to look at how we can install and get started with SmartView. This is a task that would typically be done by the IT department, and that's because we need to download SmartView and also install it on your local machine. A quick and easy way to download SmartView is from within the workspace, because you have a Tools option where we can install a whole number of EPM products. Here we have the option to install SmartView. It takes us to the Oracle Download Center where we can choose to download the latest version. And then once we've accepted the OTN license agreement, we can download now. Once we've downloaded the file, we can install. So if I show you from the C drive where I installed the file, I put it in a folder called SV Download, and then we can see the zip file. We need to extract here, and we can see that it gives us the SmartView executable. There's also a README as well for instructions. So it's very simple to install. If you do need to uninstall, then you can go to your Add Remove Programs, and you'll see that the Oracle SmartView for Office is here, and then we can click Uninstall very simply. To get started within Excel, before we can make a connection, i.e. clicking the SmartView panel and selecting Shared Connections, you will need to go into SmartView Options. And in the Advanced section, you'll need to enter the Shared Connections URL. This is http://, the name of your server, which you can get from looking at the workspace URL, the standard port of 19000/workspace/SmartView providers. So you will need to enter that shared connection URL, and then you can get started and try and make a connection to a particular application using the shared connections from the SmartView panel.